After filling up, why does the first level of fuel last longer, but other fuels are used up quickly? Next, we remove the fuel pump float. Make an experiment, then you will know. Gasoline float in the fuel tank. It is installed on the oil pump assembly, so let's remove the oil pump assembly now. Look, this is the gasoline float. Its role is to detect the amount of gasoline when the car is filled with gas. This float is at the top. As there is less and less gasoline, it will slowly come down. Let's put the plug in now. Let me show you. Slowly lift the float up. Look, as the float rises higher and higher, the fuel gauge shows more and more. Okay, lower the float. As the float drops lower and lower, the fuel gauge shows less and less. In the end, the fuel gauge light came on. Therefore, the failure of the fuel meter to display inaccurately is caused by the float. Next, we put the float into this bucket. Demonstrate it. Why is the first compartment of fuel in the fuel tank so durable? Look, the float is now at its highest position. I add water to it. You can see that the float will no longer rise, so it cannot detect the water I added later. In other words, after the fuel tank is full, the height of the gasoline is not equal to the height of the float, but will be higher than the height of the float. So from full fuel to the first level of fuel, what is consumed is the oil that is not detectable above. Then consume some more fuel. It will slowly drop to the first level of oil. This process consumes a lot of fuel, so you will feel that the first grid of fuel is very durable. Follow me and learn about cars every day.